Welcome to the Windows Club. Windows terminal settings are very important for your system, and every time you reset your computer, these Windows terminal settings can be lost. So it is important to save a backup of Windows terminal settings, and you can do it through the procedure mentioned in this video. First of all, you can do it using the File Explorer. For this, you'll have to locate the Windows terminal settings. So go to solution number 1 and copy the command line mentioned here. Now press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Clear anything which is in the field of the run window and paste this command line here. Hit enter. This will open a folder, and the folder will contain a file named settings.json. This is the Windows terminal backup settings file. Every backup is associated with this file. So right click on this file and select copy. And after that, simply paste it to any other location at which you wish to save it. For example, I wish to save it in this folder, backup of Windows terminal settings. I'll right click and save it here, and this is the backup. Now anytime I wish to use it again or restore these settings, I'll simply right click on it, copy. I'll return to the same local state folder and paste it here. The second method is using command prompt. It is a little complex, but I'll help you do it easily. First of all, to copy any command in or any folder or file using command prompt, you have to use this command copy /y /v. I'll copy this and paste it on a notepad file. Now, what has to be copied will come first, and then after a certain space, you will have to copy the second path, the destination path. For example, if I am copying this file from the local state folder, I'll press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window and delete everything which is in the run field. After this, I will simply drag this file from the original location to the run window to get its path. I'll double click on this and copy this command line or this path to my notepad, where I'll paste it, and this will be the source. Now I will press the spacebar once, and then I'll add the destination. The destination, let us say it is this folder, so I'll go to one folder prior to this, and then I will again open the run window and clear anything which is in the run field. Now I'll pull this folder down here, and since it is a folder and not a file, I'll have to remove these double quotes on both the sides. After removing these double quotes, I get the path of the destination folder. So I'll copy this path, I'll return to the notepad window and paste it here, and after this I get a certain command line, which is the command line for backing up. I'll copy this command line. Now I'll search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. I'll click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window, and I'll paste it here. Then I'll hit enter, and the file will be copied to this backup of terminal settings folder or any folder which you have used as a destination folder. If you wish to restore this, then all you need to do in the command line is that you need to interchange these two commands. For example, the first one will come first because now this is the source folder, and the destination will be the local state folder. You can copy this to the elevated command prompt window and hit enter, and the backup file will be restored. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.